Hello, English 9. I just wanted to show you how to complete this assignment because there are a lot of steps and I don't want you to get confused. Okay, this is the Salva's story assignment. So if you have access to Shobi and the internet, we have you watch a video, okay, and you can get to that video by clicking on this link. And the video is only about 4 minutes long, so it should be nice and quick. So please watch that video. If you are a hard copy student and somehow are able to see this video, you will have an article to read instead. Okay, next step. After you watch the video, complete the written paragraph response in the link below. We expect that you use full sentences and proper grammar, capitalization, and punctuation. We have given you some sentence starters to help you along. Click the link to the Google Doc and it will force you to make a copy. Please name your copy first name, last name, paragraph. Okay? So here's the Google Doc. It's going to tell you right away, do you want to make a copy? Click make a copy. And I want you to go up here right away and fix this to say first name and last name. So, you know, I don't know, Bob Smith, okay? And then paragraph, okay? That's so that we can see that you've turned it in. Put your name on the top. Here's the prompt. It says, just like Salva saw the need for clean water, we want you to think about an issue in the world, community, or your school today that you would like to see improved. Think about 2 steps that you can take to make it better. So if you're reviewing this on Shobi and have been able to access this Google Doc, you can double click, or I believe you can just double tap on an iPad, the purple lines to begin typing, okay? We've given you some sentence starters. Here's the paragraph you're gonna write. So you might say, in the world today, I see a need for, and then you double click. You say, let's see. I see a need for more Cheetos. I don't know, okay? You're gonna tell me what that need is, and then you've essentially filled in that blank. Okay, you're going to continue this way on all the lines. Sometimes there are 2 lines. You might find that you go over 2 lines or you have fewer than 2 lines. If that's the case, that's okay. If this is all you have for that first sentence and you don't need this line, just double tap and then delete. Okay? And then you'll continue on. Important thing to note, that when you are finished with the assignment, you need to go right away to share and type in Stacy, okay, and share with her, or you can share with me, or you can share with both of us. Doesn't matter, but one of us needs to see it, okay? And then, lastly, once you've shared with us, you need to make sure to go in here and upload it. You can do that by pressing the plus, and then pressing add from Drive, and then you're going to look for the document that you labeled as your first and last name, and then paragraph. Okay. Please let us know if you have any questions at all. I know it's a bit confusing. We can happily call you and walk you through it, okay?